Welcome back to the Automation Mentor. So you've started automating tasks with Make and things are running smoothly. But what happens when you need to handle a mountain of data or ensure your automations run like clockwork even when you're not around? That's where scaling your automations comes in, and today we're diving into two powerful concepts: batch processing and scheduling. Think of it this way: batch processing is about efficiency when dealing with large volumes, and scheduling is about precision in timing. Together, they unlock a new level of power in your Make scenarios. Let's talk about batch processing first. Imagine you have hundreds, maybe thousands of new customer signups, survey responses, or product orders to process every day. Instead of your Make scenario running for each individual item one by one, which can be slow and consume a lot of operations, batch processing allows you to group these items together. Make can be configured so that a module collects a set number of items, say 50 records, before it processes them all in one go. This is incredibly efficient. It reduces the number of times your scenario has to run through all its steps, saves on operational limits, and often speeds up the overall processing time significantly when you're dealing with bulk data. You're essentially telling Make, wait until you have a good chunk of work, then do it all together. Now let's move on to scheduling. This is all about controlling when your automations run. Not every task needs to happen instantly. Some are best suited for specific times or regular intervals. That's where Make's scheduling capabilities shine. You can set your scenarios to run, for example, every night at midnight, once a week on a Friday afternoon, or even every 15 minutes if needed. This is perfect for tasks that don't require immediate action but are crucial for regular operations. Think about syncing databases, generating reports, or sending out scheduled email reminders. You set it up once and Make handles the rest, reliably running your automation at the precise intervals you've defined. So how do these two concepts come together in a practical use case? Let's consider daily reporting automation for business analytics. Imagine your business collects sales data, website traffic, or customer support tickets throughout the day in various systems. Manually compiling this into a daily report is time-consuming and prone to errors. With Make, you can automate this entire process. First, you'd set up a scenario to connect to your data sources. If you're pulling a large amount of data, say all of yesterday's sales transactions, this is where batch processing would be beneficial. Your Make module could be set to retrieve data in chunks, ensuring it handles the volume efficiently without overwhelming the system or your source application. Once the data is retrieved, other modules in your scenario can then aggregate it, maybe calculate total sales, identify top-performing products, or count new support tickets. This processed information can then be formatted into a neat report. And here's where scheduling ties it all together. You'd schedule this entire scenario to run automatically every morning, say at 7 a.m. So before your workday even officially begins, Make has already fetched all the necessary data, potentially in batches, processed it, and then perhaps compiled it into a Google Sheet, created a CSV file, and saved it to a shared drive, or even emailed a summary report directly to your team's inbox. The beauty of this is that it's completely hands-off after the initial setup. The daily report is consistently generated, accurate, and always on time. This frees up valuable human hours for analyzing the data and making decisions, rather than just collecting it. So by understanding and utilizing batch processing, you can make your scenarios incredibly efficient when dealing with large datasets. And with scheduling, you gain precise control over when your automations execute. Combining these allows you to scale your Make solutions effectively, handling more complex tasks and larger volumes of information with ease. Think about the repetitive, data-intensive tasks in your workflow, or those that need to happen at regular intervals. Could batch processing and scheduling in Make help you automate them more effectively? Explore these features, and you'll find they are key to building truly robust and scalable automations. So that's how batch processing and scheduling in Make help you scale your automations and handle more data in an efficient way. If this was helpful, please like this video. It means a lot. What will you automate using these features? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more Make tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.